Welcome to another episode of MNP Talk with me, MNPJason. Today we're going to be talking about really what is a masternode, and self-promotion here, my top pick of this week, MNP Coin. So every week I go in and I tell everybody what's happening in the masternode world, but I never give you guys an explanation about what is a masternode. A masternode really is just a piece of software that's running that helps keep the integrity of a blockchain going. It's just an extra security in a way. What the masternode itself does for these other crypto networks is just help speed up things. These are guaranteed, trustworthy nodes that store information that the blockchain needs, whether that is the blockchain itself, or depending on what that masternode does, the information that they pass along there. So let's take, for example, PIVX. The masternode network that PIVX is running actually helps secure and speed up their private SYN transactions. Very cool system there that helps out a lot in their network. These are things that masternodes do, and every single masternode coin uses their masternodes to do specific things, and sometimes it don't. Sometimes the masternodes are there just to help speed up the network, help pass blockchain data to their end nodes faster, help, just the chain in general. So these are the things that masternodes do. Now, knowing what a masternode does or is now, it changes the environment a little bit to why would you want to get a masternode then? Very simple. You get it to help run the network. I mean, you become more ingrained in that community. You become dedicated to what that project is. You're showing your dedication to that project by purchasing the amount of coins that's required, or mining or staking until you get enough coins to run a masternode. You're showing that you want to be a part, and for that, the reward you get from having a masternode is higher. It's like having a bank account, and so I have a savings account. It pays me 2% ROI, per year. So whatever I put in there, I get a 2% return. Though unlike a high-end yield bank account where I can put whatever I want in there and I get a 50, 60, 100% return per year. Now, that is what a masternode does. So think of it as a long-term bank account. Now, here's the sad note to that situation. Since most masternodes are linked directly to Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin and then the price of Bitcoin to that coin varies so much. So you have the volatility of the USD Bitcoin market, then the volatility of your Bitcoin and coin market that you invest into. So there is a massive change on price at any moment. So is it good to get in a coin when it's low? Yes, but will that coin survive? We have no clue. Is it worth buying $10,000 worth of a coin on a coin that is already established? Yes. Will that masternode stay at $10,000? I don't know. But everything is possible. You have to really think about it. And knowing what a masternode does can actually help you make that decision. So this week, I shamelessly selected MNP Coin as our top pick for the week. And the reason why I selected MNP Coin is sometimes us at MasterNodes.pro, you can notice that we don't even rank our own coin very high. We have the ability to manipulate our coin if we wanted to, and we don't do it because we believe that if you manipulate something, it doesn't help that coin nor your service. Unlike the other listing services out there, which we can't guarantee what's happening on their services, we try to stay away from manipulation. So let's get into it, why I selected MNP Coin as the top pick for this week. The reason why I selected MNP Coin is what's about to happen in that coin's network. Now, I've been talking about this over the past couple videos. You've been hearing about it. We're about to enable governance in the next couple of months to allow our masternodes to have a vote on what happens to governance funds that we're going to be collecting. Now, Now, we're not asking anybody to give us governance funds. It'll happen part of the blockchain per block as in the reward system. A percentage of each reward will go to governance. So then we then give out that governance every month or every quarter to whatever projects submit their applications for approval to. So that's a great feature that's going to allow the Masternodes, a part of MNP, to help Masternodes Pro and MNP Coin go farther with their project itself. We're also burning off 1 million coins. How many projects say we're going to burn 1 million coins? Now, don't get me wrong, we generated those 1 million coins in pre-mine, but we're willing to burn them. We're willing to remove them from our network 100% and reduce the amount of coins that are currently on our network because of that burn. That should be really cool and feature all in all. We're also going to add in more reward reduction over the course of the next 20 years. So every year there'll be a halving. Another reason why I put MNP Coin as my top pick this week is what we're about to do. MasterNodes.pro will be going 100% MNP Coin payment only. So you will not be able to pay for listings with Bitcoin anymore. So you guys be ready for that. That's going to be coming up in the next couple months. Also, usually this is where I'll take you guys and move you into a on-screen view of what MNP Coin is doing. But I don't have to. I know most of the stats. So the greatest thing that I've noticed so far is we're actually going up in ranking on our own site with no changes whatsoever actually that we're doing, besides the fact that our price is rising, our ROI is going down because more masternodes are being created on our network, and that right there alone just tells you that people are starting to get interested in the coin itself because of what's changing, what's happening, and what's coming soon out there on the network. So if you guys haven't had a chance, go to Masternodes.pro. Go look up MNP Coin on that. Notice that we're in we're ranked 16 on our own system, and we have a lot going on with our price change. I mean, our price keeps on rising, and it's great. We're currently sitting at 12 cents per MNP, which is phenomenal compared to where our lowest was around about 4 or 5 cents per MNP. So we're staying in there in a nice above 10-cent range, which we like. We have well over 300 masternodes running on our network, which bringing our ROI down to about 96% per year. So, it takes about a little bit over a year to create a masternode, which is great. The longer it takes to create a masternode by owning a masternode, the better. And the reason why is it's harder. That means people, if like I want a masternode now, I have to go to the exchange and buy it. Some quick news for you guys. Masternodes.pro will be doing an update this week, which will bring in some new features, and you'll also see an upgrade to the Pro Services dashboard. There you'll see the updates to tag and track, the user API, and you'll start seeing a hint of the hosting platform there. So just watch out for it. If you don't see it by this coming Monday, do a hard reset on the website, do a clean of your cache of the website, and you'll start seeing this new data. Also, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And all of the links talk about everything we talked about today will be down in our comment description area. Hope to see you guys next time. I'm out.